Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Okay, YouTube, I finally got it all masked off. Man. Got my little areas fixed. Set me another light over here. That light. Starting to rain. Got the clear down there. Got a light over here. Got me a light on my gun. Homemade. You know. So I'm about to go and mix it up. Gonna get to this, man. Gonna get to this. So yeah, about to go in the house, get some alcohol, wipe the whole truck down like Black Rain said. So you dig? We about to get it. Alright YouTube, I just shot my first coat. As y'all can see. Trying to get y'all some good light. First coat. First coat of clear. It's a tack coat, I guess. Trying to get some up. Come this way real quick. This ain't the major coat yet. Coat. Put this down real quick. Should turn the light on. It's just a tack coat. Let me cut this off, cut y'all right back on. Okay, YouTube. Just the second coat. The second coat is still kind of foggy in here. Second coat. A little trash in here, man. What you expect for a garage? I'll get it out. If we hit this light. Come this way. Turn the light this way for y'all. I think I gotta run somewhere. If I ain't mistaken, I was trying to get it out while I was spraying. Damn. Shit just don't want to stay upright. But little trash, man. Little trash. Light on this phone ain't shit. You turn this on. I just really came out here to grab my cigarettes and close this door back down. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll pull them on out, put them in the light. I'll probably shoot another coat before I pull it out because I'm gonna be up early anyway. Might as well. Alright, YouTube, let me know what y'all think. 17-gallon air compressor. Appreciate Black Rain, Underground King Paint, Sprayway. You know, everybody. Yeah, it's a run right here. If y'all can see it. I can't even see it now. But you know, I'm gonna get all the trash out of it anyway. That it was water. I knew it was getting hot or whatever. I get that out and spray right there again. Ain't nothing major. Nothing major. Walking this way. Alright then, YouTube, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Alright.